Yo guys, Judah here. Today I'm back with another video, and today I just wanted to show you guys a demonstration on how to make Fortnite thumbnails on mobile. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to download this app called PixArt. You can go to the App Store, and it is completely free on iOS or Android, I am pretty sure. I've had it on my Android device before. So this is it. Pretty straightforward. You might want to watch some videos on how to use it before I show you. But yeah, so let's get right into it. The first thing you want to do is you're going to want to get to a background. So you can just do this by easily going to the plus button right here. It'll bring you to a tab. Just press on the search, and look, I'm gonna look up Fortnite background. Now you're gonna see that there's gonna be some good backgrounds right here for me to choose from. So I'm going to go for an angled one, so it's gonna be looking up, and my character is going to be kind of looking down, kind of like this one, where it's just going to be looking like it's looking down, even though the image is taken kind of from the ground, so it looks as if it's going up. But yeah, I'm just gonna search for one real quick on this one. So what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to go to effects, and before you do anything, the first thing you want to do is go to blur. So it might not seem like something you would want to do, but it's gonna help it out a lot. I usually do the lens blur, and it kind of looks like it would kind of be a real thumbnail. So I'll do the lens blur, but I'll put a demonstration on the screen right now of what it looks like if there's a lot of light on the image and you put lens blur. It just doesn't look good. So if you don't want to do that, you just want to go into effects and put a little bit of blur. So we'll go right here, and we'll just tone it down a little bit. But that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm just going to straight up put the lens blur on for this one because there is not that much light reflection. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to go to sticker. You're gonna want to press search and look up Fortnite. Now it's not super specific, but you can see all these stickers, and not all of them are super good, but if you keep scrolling, you'll find the one you want. So what I'm gonna go for is one kind of like this. Maybe we'll find one like, oops, did not mean to click on that one. Maybe like this. So with this, you can see that it's a little bit bright and could use some touching up. So what we're actually gonna do is we're gonna go to the sticker, we're gonna press on effects, and then we're going to scroll down until we see colors. Now, whenever we go to colors, we're going to scroll all the way down and press saturation. This will give it a little bit more of tone, and you'll be able to see it more bright. So, this is a Fortnite. Heading into a new clip, I'm going to be showing you another one, just another example to kind of make it a little bit more clear. So, most of these stickers that have been posted, hey, look at this. I made this. Alright, but yeah, so most of these stickers and images, backgrounds, everything, they're made by a clan named Cryptic. And it's a pretty popular clan, well known on PixArt by a lot of Fortnite people because they post usually the best things. So for this one, I'm going to go lens blur, and this is my favorite background. So same thing we're going to do. We're going to go to stickers, and we're going to go to Fortnite, and we're going to look for a sticker that would look the best. So I'm going to be scrolling for a little bit, and then I'll find one and I'll see if it looks good. If not, I'll move on. So for me right now, I'm seeing some, but I just want to make sure that there is nothing else that I would want to put. But I think I found the one that I want to get, I'm just going to scroll a little bit up, and I'm going to put this on this right here. We're going to make it a little bit bigger. You can just kind of zoom in and out using your 2 fingers. We're going to make it a little bit bigger, maybe just a little bit smaller than that. And we're going to kind of put it in the middle. And this thing you're going to want to do is, if I go like this, you can see space in between. You're going to make sure you want to put it down there, and it's going to show a blue line whenever it says that you have it down. So with this one, we're not going to have to saturate the sticker at all, because this is a really, really good sticker. And it's obviously made by a professional on a PC. So, yeah, that's it, I guess. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next video. Bye.